Hi sewing friends! My name is Alice Murray and this is my channel Murr-made Designs, where every day at 7 a.m. I show you another video of a garment I've made or refashioned or upcycled or reimagined, whatever you like to call it. This week we're doing a series on refashioning. This is the 6th garment that I will be showing you. And what we do on this channel is pattern reviews, sewing tips, beginner sewing encouragement. You encourage me, I encourage you. It works really well. So I'll show you what I refashioned today, and then we'll talk about it. It is a cute little top. It is made out of a really nice kind of heavy linen. Look at when I'm walking away, you can see the row. It's kind of a, I don't know what you call that, a placket with buttons on down the back. So this was a dress, a summer dress, kind of knee-length summer dress. It had pockets. It had this nifty placket down the back with the buttons. And so what I did is I reached for my trusted and true 6407, and I laid the pieces, the front and back pieces out so that I could get the curved hem, because I quite like the curved hem detail. And then I also used the sleeve piece from this pattern. I've made this pattern 3 times and I love this pattern, and I'll link one of the makes that I made with this at the end of this video so you can check it out. But I laid out the sleeve piece, and you can see on one sleeve it was the back of the skirt. The other sleeve, it was the front of the skirt. So some of it has buttons and some of it does not. Sorry, too much talking. It already had the V-neck, and I certainly wanted to keep that. And I think this is going to be one of my staple wardrobe pieces. I think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this top. I just love this material, this really heavy linen, and it's got this cute summery print on it. And I paired it with my green cotton pants that I made a few weeks ago, which I still love. I have not fallen out of love with them. And the green in the print matches them perfectly. Yeah. The other thing I did was, this is very unlike me, but I went inside and I cut the pockets off so the pockets closed on either side and cut them out, because it would have been too long. It would have looked kind of goofy, so the pockets had to go. So that is my refashion today. And what I wanted to talk about in my grateful thread today is community. That I have grown up, spent my whole life and grown up in a really tiny community in central Alberta, Canada. And I love that community. It is like living in a large family. And And the community that I'm grateful for today, though, is the sewing community that has been coming along with me on this journey. And you know who you are, that you watch all the videos, you comment on all the videos, you give me tips, you give me inspiration, you give me things that I can pass on to other people so that this, raises us all up. And, at first, it was a lot of names, a lot of people, didn't know them. But as time has gone by, the names have become familiar. I look forward to your comments. I look forward to your tips and suggestions and your honesty. You are always honest with me. And sometimes what that honesty does is I think we have a tendency, agree with me or not on this, but I think we have a tendency to be hard on ourselves. And, I might try something on and think, oh, that's awful. Oh, that's, like my ugly red blouse or whatever. But because of all your kind comments and your honest feedback, often I see makes in a different light after I have had a chance for you to look at it and give me some feedback on it. So this is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly why I am doing this. Why every day at 7 o'clock I post another video, because I want community. I want us all to be in this together and just kind of move through this and have some fun. Learn some stuff, have some fun. Mostly have some fun. If it's not fun, why would we be doing it? So thank you so much. I am so grateful for you coming along on this journey with me. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Talk to you again tomorrow. Last day of our 7-day refashions. Then we're going to do something else. Bye for now.